this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm CG Crouch and I found how to create Minecraft explosion into 3ds Max, and very easy. First I wanna create texture of explosion Minecraft to add it in particle effects. I open a plan and make it size to be 50 and 50. I make it so small. I open material editor and I make it standard and copy it to other materials. I click it and I select bitmap and I choose my texture explosion. I gonna found that. I choose gray and first I'm doing with this. I choose the base color texture and now I'm gonna choose opacity texture. Guys, it's easy. Just need to continue and finish it whenever, and your texture of explosion will be finished when you select all of explosion texture. Remember, click it none. This is the last one texture explosion, and I did it like other of this texture, but this number is different. It's finished and it's 16. I have 16 texture. I'm going to click none, and remember, before start, always click it two-sided. So you have 16 plan explosion textures, but in 3ds Max, if you want this to be invisible, just choose opacity and go into computation. I'm going to open multi-sub-object and its set is 10 and I want to add it 17, and I select it and drag it into this list. Sub-object material. Also this, also this, also this, also this. You need just continue it. I assign material to object plan, and in modifier I'm going to material, and if I setting that number My explosion number one is ready, and I must make a order of this explosion, but its color is different. Like that's white, but it's gray. If I'm going to make that Minecraft explosion texture to be white, I need to do this like this. Maybe it's gonna be difficult, but you need to do this. Finish. I created. I need the last texture of explosion Minecraft. I need to create my last texture Minecraft explosion. Particle generous. And before the start I should to tell you it's not very hard and difficult. It's really easy. Like before tutorial I going to bitmap and found different texture because that's generous particle. I click one of this and make it none, tick it two-sided and choose it opacity. Alright, I did it. Like before tutorial, I just choose the opation in other material. Now I open multi-subject and like that tutorial, I drag this material to this list of submaterials. And in modifier, I found material and I set it ID number material. It's very perfect. I did it. Now I created all my Minecraft texture explosion. Now I need to open particle to create effects explosion. First I'm gonna make texture animation explosion generated texture. I merge three file max. Here we go. So I animated one by one. First generated. I pick it one and I set it ID number. Be over. Now you see it's moving like texture animation and very cool. But if you see it's very fast, you can make it slow. Just click last frame of this and drag it frame of 40. Now I animate this and make it in this texture. Also this, like that. Also I must make it like that in 20. But I moving it in front. Remember, this texture, I mean generous, must be more slowy than to this texture. So now I open particle P sources and I rotate it and I click parties view. So I'm gonna teaching you very easily and it's not gonna be very hard. Just look at this picture. In particle view, you should don't touch render. You need to add this burst stream, span, position, ISON, speed, rotation, shape, instance to select to texture of explosion and also delete, and the last is display. Now for generouses you need to add it to like that burst stream and other this, and in the shape states you must select that texture generouses and I will show you. In explosion, in burst stream you need to set in this opation like me and also spam, also position ISON and speed, rotation, shape space, delete, and display. And also generouses. If I told you about all this, it's gonna be very difficult. I will send it address Gmail in my video, and you can going to download this tutorial picture. So you need to open two PE sources because one of this must be for explosion. I mean to texture explosion, and one of these must be for generous texture. This partition is for explosion, but I make it to texture to be group, and the last I select it in this shape instance. And also for generous particle, I just select one plan, I mean this texture, and after choose texture for shape particle, I put it and I make it to be group. These two particle must be together, and I play it. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's really amazing. If you don't like to this 3 texture show in render, you can hide it. Now I watch it again, and you see it's very amazing and very explosion like that game Minecraft. It's gonna be for other explosion in Minecraft, for example explosion TNT or explosion monsters. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like it. If you want to watch my some videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you have very problem or very question, just comment in my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you can't miss my other videos. See you soon, guys.